Essential vocabulary words and phrases to use at a restaurant. Menu. A list of food and drink items available for purchase at the restaurant. Appetizer. A small dish of food served before the main course. Entree or the main course. The main dish that is served after the appetizers. Side dish. A smaller dish of food served alongside the main course. Dessert. A sweet dish served after the main course. Drink. A beverage such as water, soda, tea, or coffee. Waiter or waitress. The person who takes your order and serves you food and drinks. Table. The surface where you sit and eat your meal. Check or the bill. The slip of paper that shows the total cost of your meal and drinks. Tip is extra money that is given to the waiter or waitress for good service. Reservation. A request to have a table at a specific time. Specials is usually a limited time or unique item or deal available on the menu. To order. Choose and request food or drink items from the menu. To recommend. To suggest or advise a specific menu item to the customer. To pay. To provide the payment for the meal and drinks.